How you doing? I am Joe Franquinha from Crest Hardware and Urban Garden Center. We are here with Christopher Griffin, also known as the plant Kween. And we are gonna go check out Christopher's apartment and his definition of urban gardening here in his one-bedroom apartment in Crown Heights, Brooklyn.
So this is my one-bedroom apartment in Crown Heights. So this right here is my kitchen. And as you can see, I have a variety of different plants. My snake plants I have up here, which are generally low light, so they can survive up here pretty well. I have my ghost cactus, my monsteras. I have this 5-foot snake plant, which is my pride and joy. It's almost as tall as I am.
Yeah. And it continues more and more.
It continues. And so here I have a whole bunch of aeroids and tropical plants. I have my humidifier right here. I have a couple cacti, and a number of these are from Crest, actually.
Clearly they're all on different, watering cycles. They're not all the same all the time. So how do you manage that?
I typically water my plants once a week.
Okay.
So overwatering is a big issue, and plants are more likely to survive underwatering than overwatering. But yeah, I just watered my plants last night. I came home. It takes me about a good hour to water everything. I turn on some music, I drink some tea, and it's a whole scene. I think we can learn so much from plants, not only about ourselves, but how we treat other people, patience, attention to detail, how they're responding to our actions and our care. There's so much you can learn from plants.
All right, I mean, that was amazing. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough for letting us into your home today and getting to see a little bit of what you're doing. Actually, a lot of bit of what you're doing. 80 some odd plants is a lot of bit, so thank you so much. Thanks so much for tagging along on our urban garden tour. If you want to learn even more, come visit me at Spoga Gafa in Cologne this September. Auf Wiedersehen.